Have you ever thought learning English at home is impossible? What if I told you that you can become fluent without stepping outside your room? Stay with me, because today, I'm going to share a simple story that will change everything you believe about learning English. Hello everyone, welcome back to Simple English Stories. I'm so happy you're here today. In this video, I want to tell you about Sarah, a young woman who discovered the secret to learning English at home. Her journey will inspire you and show you exactly what to do. So let's begin. Sarah was a 25-year-old girl living in a small town. She had big dreams. She wanted to study abroad and find a good job in an international company. But there was one problem. She couldn't speak English well. Every time she tried to speak, she felt nervous and stopped. Sarah lived far from the city. There were no English classes near her home. She couldn't afford expensive courses online. She felt stuck. One day, she asked herself, "How can I practice English when I have no teacher and no partner?" That night, Sarah decided to try something different. She would become her own teacher. She made a simple plan, and that plan changed her life completely. The first thing Sarah did was talk to herself in English. Yes, you heard that right. She talked to herself. In the morning, she said, "I am brushing my teeth. I am making breakfast. I am getting ready for work." At first, it felt strange. She even laughed at herself. But slowly, it became natural. Her brain started thinking in English. Day by day, her confidence grew. Then Sarah started listening to English every day. She didn't have money for courses, but she had a phone and internet. She listened to YouTube videos while cooking. She played English podcasts during her morning walk. She even listened to English songs before sleeping. At first, she understood only a few words, but she didn't stop. After 2 weeks, she noticed something amazing. She could understand more. Her ears got used to English sounds. She started recognizing words and phrases. Sarah also began reading out loud. Every morning, she spent 10 minutes reading simple English stories from her phone. She reads slowly and clearly. Reading out loud helped her mouth practice English sounds. It improved her pronunciation. She learned how sentences are built. Her vocabulary grew bigger each day. But Sarah knew speaking and listening weren't enough. She needed to write too. So every night before bed, she wrote in her English diary. She wrote simple sentences about her day. "Today I went to the market. I bought vegetables. I cooked dinner for my family." These sentences were short and easy, but they helped her think in English and remember new words. The most interesting thing Sarah did was watching and repeating. She found short English videos on YouTube. She watched a few seconds, then paused the video. She repeated exactly what the person said. She copied their voice, their pronunciation, everything. This exercise made a huge difference. After 1 month, Sarah's speaking sounded more natural and confident. Of course, Sarah made mistakes, many mistakes. Sometimes she used the wrong word. Sometimes her sentences didn't make sense, but she never felt bad about it. She understood that mistakes are part of learning. Each mistake taught her something new. She wrote her mistakes in a notebook and learned from them. Sarah created a daily routine. She gave herself 30 minutes every day for English practice. 10 minutes for listening, 10 minutes for reading, 10 minutes for speaking and writing. She never skipped a day. Even when she was tired or busy, she found time. Learning English became a part of her life, just like eating or sleeping. She also started thinking in English during her daily activities. When she cooked, she thought, "I am cutting the onions. I am adding salt." When she walked to work, she described what she saw. "I see a blue car. There's a bird in the tree." This habit kept her brain active with English all day long. 2 months passed, then 3 months. Sarah didn't see big changes at first, but slowly, something magical happened. She could understand English videos without subtitles. She could write longer sentences. When she spoke to herself, words came faster and easier. She felt proud of her progress. After 6 months, Sarah's dream came true. She applied for an online job that required English. During the interview, she spoke confidently. She got the job. The interviewer was impressed by her English skills. Sarah couldn't believe it. She learned English at home without a teacher, without expensive courses, just with daily practice and determination. Sarah's story teaches us something very important. You don't need perfect conditions to learn English. You don't need to wait for the right time or the right place. You can start right now, right where you are. All you need is time, focus, and daily practice. Remember, learning English is like planting a seed. You water it every day. You give it sunlight. Slowly, it grows into a strong tree. Your English is the same. Practice daily, even if it's just 15 or 20 minutes. Small steps every day will take you very far. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Don't feel shy to talk to yourself. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start today. Speak, listen, read, and write. Make English a part of your life. Soon, you will speak English easily and confidently, just like Sarah. So my friends, what do you think about Sarah's story? Can you do what she did? I believe you can. Start your English journey at home today. Talk to yourself. Listen every day. Read out loud. Write in your diary. And most importantly, never give up. If you found this story helpful, please give this video a like. Share it with your friends who want to learn English. And don't forget to subscribe to Simple English Stories for more inspiring videos like this. In our next video, I'll share another amazing story about a boy who learned English by watching movies. You don't want to miss it. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. See you in the next video. Goodbye.